Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to go through how you remove all objects from TradingView charts. Okay, so I'm going to do a step-by-step guide. So let's get into today's video. The first thing you need to do is go over to TradingView, open it. Okay, so once we have it open, find the product you want. I'm going to pick a UK market because the US isn't open. So if I just pick someone like legal in general, the reason why I'm picking those is because I bought it yesterday or the day before when I went ex-dividend. Okay, so this is our chart here. We'll just draw something on it just to give you an idea. Okay, you can put indicators on too, but I'm just doing this for the example of the video. It doesn't really matter. So if you want to remove all of those in one go, so you can, there's a few ways to do, but I'm just going to show you one. It will clear everything. It will. So you're going to go over to the left hand side here, and down the very bottom there's this little bin icon. So let's click on this. Okay, so you've got the option of remove three drawings, remove one indicator, remove three drawings, one indicator. So I'm just going to remove the three drawings I did. So let's get rid of those. And now your chart is back to default where it was again. So you can see that it's as simple as that. So I hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.